Hello everyone, I'm Vinay and I am a civil engineer and an aspirant to do a master's in construction management. So after a long time I decided to make videos related to construction. So today's topic is what is construction management and the skills required to become a construction manager. So please do support and subscribe our channel. Without wasting your time, let's start a video. So what exactly construction management is? There are lots of information and definitions on the internet. But Construction Management Association of America (CMAA), which is a US construction management certification and advocacy body, gave a definition. According to CMAA, construction management is a professional service that provides a project's owners with effective management of the project's schedule, cost, quality, safety, scope, and function. Construction management is compatible with all project delivery methods. No matter what the setting, a construction manager's responsibility is to the owner and to a successful project. I know it's very hard to understand at once, so let me elaborate for you. It is a service which is provided to the owner with effective management of schedule, cost, quality, safety, scope, and function. It's a right of the owner to know everything about the project. So he or she hires a manager to do so. So construction management also works well with all project delivery methods. Here, project delivery methods are different ways of executing a project. The major responsibility of a construction manager is the owner and successful completion of the project. Now we are familiar with what is construction management. Let's discuss what it takes to be a construction manager. There are various skills to be learned as a construction manager, but the most important are leadership skills, management skills, and technical skills. So let's elaborate it further. First, let us talk about leadership skills. A good construction manager have to be a good leader because to complete a project within the time and budget, a project manager have to design a team and delegate the task to the team members according to their strengths. So he has to be a good leader. Also, disputes are very common among all members, but it is the construction manager's responsibility to solve all the issues and to keep the project on track. So next we'll discuss about management skills. Management skills are very crucial for successful completion of the project because planning, controlling and reporting are the major focus areas of the management. But we'll discuss and teach you these skills in upcoming videos. But finally, technical skills are very important. That means knowing construction processes and implementing the new technical advancements in the construction industry will not only increases the standard of the project but also helps the construction manager to understand the industry better. So guys, it's the definition of construction management and the skills to be required to be a good construction manager. If you have any doubts about construction management, please feel free to comment below or message me on Instagram. I hope you liked the video and please do subscribe our channel and show us some support to make more videos for the construction industry. Thank you for your time. See you soon.